ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it was a windy and warm one across Acadiana today, feeding a deep storm in the high plains this afternoon. High winds as well. We'll talk a little bit more about that up in that part of the world. Blizzard conditions, rainfall, the whole 9 yards. Meanwhile, locally, if you looked outside, it was just a cloudy, breezy day with a few intervals of sunshine, and Justin Terro capturing this shot of the wind blowing. It's been gusting as high as about 35 to 40 this afternoon. Winds will be dying down a little bit this evening, but the azaleas are certainly blooming, even though they're, boy, this is a little disconcerting. You know, rocking around out there during the course of the day today. So let's kick it upstairs, look at the big picture, and boy, is it snowing from portions of Colorado, New Mexico on up through Wyoming, and then into the Dakotas underneath it. You can see that orange. That's where we have those blizzard warnings ongoing. And man, is this storm system wound up producing anywhere between 50 up to 70 up to 75 mile-an-hour winds all the way down from Dallas through Oklahoma and then on up into Kansas, and it's blowing across portions of New Mexico as well. And then when you get the snow, it's blinding because that's why it's blizzard's all about. And then heavy rains off to the north and east with the threat of flooding across areas that have snow on the ground. And I got to remind you, we did that at 5 o'clock. Remember, all that water is going to be coming down the Mississippi in the weeks and months ahead. So the water levels stay high in the Mississippi and the Atchafalaya for a long time to come, even though the numbers are cresting locally right now and will continue to stay at high levels, and they may drop a little bit, but it depends on how much rainfall we get off to the north. There's a flood watch in effect northeast Louisiana and into western portions of Mississippi, so we'll watch that. Heavy rainfall also in the Red River right now, moving to the I-20 corridor. Locally, we haven't seen a whole lot, but some of these storms have been quite busy as we get up toward the Natchitoches area, up through Martin, then on up through Ruston. A fair bit of cloud-to-ground lightning, positive cloud-to-ground lightning, meaning strong updrafts and downdrafts, maybe some small hail, gusty or damaging winds, but we have not seen any warnings with these cells. Now, farther south, we see some of the shower activity edging into portions of southwest Louisiana, but none across Acadiana right now, and I think this makes a little bit more eastward progression, perhaps to Jeff Davis Parish before it runs out of daytime heating and some of those upper-level dynamics that are primarily going to be moving away off to the north. Temperatures today starting out near 70. We got up to 79 officially in Lafayette. Most of us in the mid-70s at this hour, and we won't cool off more than about 3 to 5 degrees from where we are right now through the overnight hour. So it's going to be a mild night as that low pressure system stays cranked up, and you can see with a pressure gradient, the lines of equal pressure being so tight up here across Nebraska and off to the north as you get into the Dakotas. So it's going to be blinding snow, and we'll be getting some wild images there. Low pressure system trailing frontal boundary pushing toward Louisiana as we head into tomorrow. We will see scattered showers, but the risk of storms stays more than likely well to the north and east of us. Then that front getting through here about midnight tomorrow night or shortly thereafter, but the subtropical jet stream stays active behind the front, and we're going to see some showers primarily I-10 on to the south. And right now I got 40% for the rain chances Friday, so that's new today compared to the last couple of days, and that rain chance may go up, but it does look like it'll dry out for the weekend. Severe weather threats staying to the north. We're hatched in for a marginal risk of severe weather, but I am not expecting any locally the way things are looking for right now, but I needed to show you that just in case. And then that severe weather threat moving to the north and east all the way up through Michigan for tomorrow into tomorrow night. So here's the high-resolution rapid refresh, or the predictive radar model indicating strongest storms in the northern part of the state. Few spotty showers clipping northwest Acadiana, and then you can see the frontal boundaries showing up and pushing southward. Best rain chances right around midday tomorrow, and then things will start to quiet down, although we might see a few sprinkles into tomorrow night. Winds staying breezy overnight tonight. They'll be gusting out of the south, but they begin to diminish a little bit tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon. Then you see the front coming on in, and those winds really pick up again out of the north as we head into Friday. So temperatures tonight near 70 for a low. We'll push it into the mid to upper 70s for tomorrow. Tomorrow night into the low to mid 50s, and then Friday hard pressed to make 60 degrees. It's going to be a cool one indeed with a wind as well. So breezy and mild tonight, 70 the low. A few showers possible, mainly northwest areas, but I'll go with rain chance no higher than 20%. 70% tomorrow, just scattered showers, less than a quarter inch of rain, so rain won't be a problem. Upper 70s for one more day. Enjoy it because we won't see 70s for quite a while. Upper 50s, lower 60s through the weekend with mostly cloudy skies. Hopefully a little sunshine for Sunday afternoon. And then as we go into next week, still cooler than normal numbers, but eventually warming up down the line. And normal this time of year, 72 for a high and 52 for a low. So we're either way above or way below, but that's the way it works out.
Thank you, Rob.